Welcome to entire medical physics in India and across India. Actually, I'm Dr. Sukumaran, Chief Medical Physicist from Excel Healthcare, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So I developed a software for radiotherapy department which will be useful for the medical physicist as a tool for the regular analysis of QA, plan evaluation, output measurements, shielding, everything included in a tool. This tool is developed from Python software and used in Excel, use an database, SQL database as a backend. So this Python is integrated with the SQL database so as to extract the parameter from database and store the data output to the SQL database. So both are integrated each other. This tool have lot of facilities. As I told here, treatment plan evaluation, LINAC machine QA, LINAC dosimetry, brachydosimetry, brachy source position, and LINAC and brachy shielding. Last video I have explained about the LINAC machine QA using electronic portal image device using DICOM image objects. Now I will show you the treatment plan evaluation. This treatment plan evaluation is based on radiological and physical evaluation. The application is designed for two major vendor like Varian and Electa. So it takes the dose volume histogram from both the vendor. So my application takes the input, major input as a dose volume histogram in text format. You know very well, after creating the plan, the dose volume histogram is generated. So from the dose volume histogram, we used to evaluate the plan based upon the clinical protocol like IMAMI, AAPM protocol, and RTOG protocol. So these protocols have been included in the database. So those data are stored in the SQL database. It will be retrieved in the dynamically during the execution of the application. The simple thing is only the text file as a DVH. I can show you the file. So it is the this is the total Electa and the variant. So now I show the variant. So variant. So these are the your cervix. Whether your esophagus case is there, your breast case, oropharynx. Now take this here cervix. This here cervix, and you can see the IMRT plan have been variant. You can see this is the dose volume histogram in text format. Any treatment plan evaluation software, there is an option to generate the DVH into text format. So this my application required only this parameter alone. So rest of all the things will be taken by the system. Now we'll see how the system works. So here you got to see the option is there. Plan evaluation. I'm clicking the plan evaluation. So the screen is you can see the screen. So it is all this screen is developed using the Tinker as a tool. The front end tool from the Python series. It has the file, plan evaluation, printing report, graphical presentation. These are the three major modules for plan evaluation. And second is a machine where we can able to configure the table configuration. Here the table configuration. So initially, for any hospital, these are the following table to be created at the time of executing this application. So now we'll see how the application works. First, I click plan evaluation. Once click the plan evaluation, it asks for where the DVH is located. I'm going to show where the DVH is located. It is in the desktop. Here, Right now I show for variant. Variant one case and electron one case I'll see. So variant. So when I show see a cervix, I am multiplying. See, once I selected this, it shows Vector is variant. I go to show to my system that what type of DVH it is and what type of the cancerous cancer site area. So I can show the cervix and say OK. Once I say OK, in background it run the complete application. It extract the all the doses corresponding to the volumes and structures and yeah, and stored in particular format, and it will be shown. It will be loaded here. So now you can see the load parameter is enabled. When you click the load parameter, you can see the complete screen is have been enabled here. So in the left side you can see structures and right side you can see PTV. So all these are the structures in the dose volume histogram. When I click the bladder, this DVH has been generated, and there is a probability button to display the probability curve. So probability curve is defined here. So using this, we can able to see the dose volume histogram as well as the probability curve. That is normal tissue compression probability. This option is to check NTCP, TCP in the same frame. So before choosing this one, we have to select the PTV. That's what is asking the PTV. I am selecting the PTV. So you can see the PTV and the OIR have been shown measured in the same frame. So now we can even see the UTP, uncomplicated tumor control protocol. So you can see this. These are the major implementation of the software to see normal tissue complication probability, tumor control probability, and UTCP, uncomplicated tumor control probability in the same window, so that the physicist and the oncologist will be appreciate the what is happening in the treatment plan. See, the option is there. So if I change this bubble, you can see that the dose volume curve changes. When you want to implement this, again we got to click it and again check. You can see this one. So you can see for bubble, the uncomplicated tumor probability was 0.02. It was very less. So thereby this type of how the OIR behaves during the treatment, that we can able to easily, we can have an idea in graphical format. We can be able to see the graphical picture in the graphical format. Now there is an option called physical index. So you click the physical index. Here you can show the conformity index, homogeneity index. Even OIR, you can measure the dose bladder and give some percentage value 10%. It shows value for bladder. If it's for CC, so PTB says 90%, then you can find out it is 90. So this can independently we can see. So to check this value in normal planning system, you have to move our mouse to particular dose or volume to find out the value. Here with EC, accurately we can measure the particular volume or particular doses. You can even find the BED and EQD2 also. Here is an option where we can able to see. Here we are able to see here the BED, bladder, and EQD as well. Apart from this thing, I have introduced the protocol for plan evaluation like contact APM protocol, imaming for Radiobiological. Once select this contact, all the values of all the OIR, the constraints, how it is passed to fail, or everything be shown. So green shows is pass and yellow for variation acceptable, like this. So now we have imaming protocol, you can check and not working. So all we can see in a single screen. Even we can see there is an option called, even we can check the value also by using the plan index. And even we can also see how the three protocol behaves in a single frame like dosimetry. Here we can see how the for OERs, what are the Imami protocol, RTO protocol contact behaves. It will be useful for the organization physicist for evaluating the plan. The plan is efficient or plan can be further improved like that. Another thing is there is an option for to find normal tissue integral dose, the mean dose and max dose is there. Here is another button where you can see the OER the parameters and tumor parameter. What are the parameters? These are the parameters taken from the backend, the SQL database. We can even edit the tumor, even the edit the parameters here, even edit the value. This once you edit the value, it will be stored in the database. Once it's stored, when you open the cases next time, what are the edited value will be shown here. Here is option for toggle LDH. It shows the complete OIR with cumulative as well as differential value. Next, we show this. The last option is the models. There are three models I have chosen. Poisson model, Numerical model, LKB model. Poisson model chosen. We have what is NTCP, what is EUD, what is tolerance dose, what is UTCP, what therapeutic index, what is total volume, what is effective volume. All are shown here. So, in one single window, we can see, we can analyze the what actually the plan. Here, we can analyze the plan in both radiological as well as physical index. So, single window clearly depict for physical and the biological values. Once this is ready, now we want to take a report and store for our official purpose or for audit purpose. Now I go there and set printing report. So once you print, it asks me to where it is stored. I will find the report and store it in the already there. I make a name is one. I'll save it. Once it is saved, report is generated and it will be shown here in the bottom. So report will be generated. You can see that. You can see that. So you can see that Excel healthcare and even date, today date, what is time now? 6:26. The patient name is there. All the details, whatever we seen in the single window, have been shown here. Bottom is physicist sign and organized sign. So this is completely shows the complete data. For oncologists, they will be preferred mostly for graphical representation of this data. That is also done. Now I close this one. The option is called where file graphical presentation. There I got to choose where the Excel data have been stored, report stored. Save, yes, save. Yes. So here you can say load widgets. You can see this. What is alpha beta? What is line plot? What is bar plot? Everything you can see. What is TD50? How it behaves? What is NTCP? It shows scatter plot. N value. And plot. Everything we can have an idea how it behaves. Contact also we have all this. Scatter plot, line plot. So this is completely user friendly and graphical representation of the data. Easy to for comparison whether which type completely for OER based organ risk and biologically how it works. How the particular biological parameter affect the organ risk. I have a very good idea. So this can be used for the for evaluating the new plan and for studying the plan for R&D purpose and for academic and research. This type of analysis is very useful and can be even used for publishing papers. Likewise, we can go for now. I can clear the plans. Now it's clear. Once clear, everything get clear. Now we can go. Now again, if I go for plan annotation, I can choose annotation. Now I choose for the Electra. Last time I used variant data. Now I do Electra. Desktop file. The Electra. So Electra now we choose anyone. Head and neck case. So now seek a head and neck case. Okay. And say okay. Open. Here you got to choose that Electra and site you got to choose head and neck and say okay. So once okay, The program dynamically run in background and collect all the information related to the particular cancer site, and for everything is ready, the load parameter will be enabled. Now we load parameter enabled. So now click load. Now we can see. So these are the structures are there. You can see this hidden neck out, brainstem, spinal cord, parotid, and spinal cord. So we can see the this DVH and probably DVH, and we can see the NTCP, TCP in same frame for better understanding. And for UTCP we can see. So you can see how the spinal cord phase is rolled. Now we can see some other thing, brainstem, and check for here. So brainstem, how the brainstem and spinal cord plays a role for UTCP. Same thing we can go for physical index like that. Same contact index, contact band evaluation, IMAMI, RTOG, and we can see summary. You can see summary. These are red or fail and yellow for green for cost. This is the best dashboard to see all three type of plan evaluation protocol in a single frame. Same like that, even OIR will be shown. What type of, which OIR or what type of radiological parameter can be checked, can be also reviewed here, and Poisson value can be numerical model, everything we can see for the same Poisson's UOD value, TD50, TCP, UTCP, therapy index, everything we can see. So complete screen, complete single plan, we can able to have the complete idea about the physical index and radiological index. So thereby we can keep this data for comparing our plan evaluation with the Eclipse or whatever the in-house software, and check, and we can find how it is deviating, how the data are correlated with the current plan, and can be improved based upon from the result generated. So likewise, here the file can be we can print the report, and we can show the data to desktop to V2 and save. The data have been stored. Again, it will be shown here. You have to open here. Open here. Same thing. You can see the time, date, the patient name. So this is a protocol. These are the tumor radiological parameter value. This is the OIR parameter radiological value. This is the plan evaluation details. Now we can see the graphic representation using this data. Graphic representation of the report. You can see how alpha beta behaves, how A value behaves, line plot, bar chart, and pie chart. How EOD changes, scatter plot. Brains EOD will be less. Brain stems are same, and parotid are based on the values there. Parotid right is there. In contact, line plot, everything we can see here. So we can give the complete graphic representation of the treatment plan. Likewise, this software is completely evaluate the treatment plan using the DVH in text format, and give the complete results for physical index as well as radiological index, which will be useful for a physicist or a oncologist to evaluate the treatment plan and have a complete idea, and we can improve the plan based upon this the inner software what is we have developed. This will be completely useful for the medical physics team. So I am very much happy to introduce this software to the medical physics community in India and across India. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for viewing my software. And thank once again. We'll see you soon. Thank you.